Hello traders, in this video I am going to teach you the MACD and moving average trading strategy, which most of the traders do not have any idea about this, and I will show you that why this strategy is very powerful, and I will show you with each and every technique on almost different time frames as well. So before I start this video, please subscribe FX Mentor US because I will be going to upload the different strategies on my trading channel, and you can also watch the previous strategies as well on the trading channel. So the first strategy that we are going to use is moving average convergence divergence, right? This is called MACD. So you need to use this simple one, and this is how it should look on your screen. The second thing that you are going to do is this, that you are going to change your candles to the Hikanashi because we want some sort of confirmations as well, right? So the two things are completely ready, and guys, please note down that this is the original settings. Do not change the settings of this MACD indicator, right? So we will use the default setting. And the third indicator that I will be using is the moving average exponential, and that is the simple one as well, right? So if I go to the settings of the moving average exponential, then I'm going to change the length to 200, and I'm going into the style section, and I'm going to give it a yellow color, and then I press OK, and now my setup is completely ready to trade. So right now I am on the 15-minute chart, so please do not skip this video. Stay tuned in this video because I will be going to show you the other charts as well about the signals, and your mind will be simply amazed by the quality of the signals, right? Okay, so as you can see that we have two moving averages on MACD. Okay, so this is the separate moving average that we are using, the 200 period exponential moving average, but these two moving averages are different, right? So we need to take care of these things as well. So basically we are going to trade these moving averages based on the crossover, right? Okay, so if you see here, the blue line crosses the orange line, and you can see here the market closes above the 200 EMA. That was our entry, and we will set up a stop loss at the previous low of the market, or in case of the when the trend got changed from the 200 EMA, you can set up a stop loss bit earlier as well. And if we target this, then how much you were able to make on this trade. So if we target only up to this area, then you can see that we have easily caught 3.24 ratio by trading this one, right? Now let's talk about the sells. Okay, so I'm going to take a short position, risk reward ratio here. So here we have the crossover. Now you can see you have three type of confirmations. First, the crossover on the MACD indicator. The second thing, Hikanashi candle turned into red color, and the third confirmation that the market is below the 200 EMA. That's a very good confirmation, and you can set up a stop loss at the previous high of the market. And then let's go down, and if we measure this thing, that this is simply a 3.09 trading ratio. Okay, so this is not limited to 15-minute. Okay, so for example, if I go to USDCHF 5-minute time frame, so let's have a look what's going on. Okay, so if we talk about here, okay, now you need to take care of one thing that's very good thing that I'm telling you right now, that do not take any kind of bullish crossovers when you are below the 200 EMA, right? Do not take any kind of bullish crossovers when you are below the 200 EMA, only looking for sell opportunities. So for example, if we go here, so if we take a short position on this sell crossover, okay, set up a stop loss at the previous high of the market, then you can see you must have easily caught like that, how much, that is 4.49 ratio. Okay, so this is how you need to work on the things. Again, you have the bearish crossover, you ignore the bullish crossovers, you go for the bearish ones. Again, you can see that we were able to catch some good profit from here as well, right? So only take the bearish crossovers when you are below the 200 EMA. For example, here we have a bullish crossover. Here we have a crossover, but guys, I will not recommend. It's your, it's your choice to trade those, but I personally do not like to do such type of trading. Okay, so now let me show you the good examples, right? Okay, so let's talk about the short position. Here we have a moving average crossover, but we will wait. Here we have the proper closes below the 200 EMA. We will set up a stop loss above the 200 EMA. And then you can see till now that is 2.58 till now, right? And when it was into the bullish trend, you can see that how well it was performing. Here we have the bullish crossover. Heikin also went green. You can set up a stop loss at the lower peak of lower side of the market, and you can target like 3.46. And again that's not enough, because you can see again the signal get worked. Okay, so here you can see again the market worked and given us some good profit. Okay, so you can see 2.29. So guys, this is how you need to work. You need to work like this. Okay, so there are a lot of good indicators. On now I have told you about the MACD strategy. Look at here. We have the bullish crossover on USD JPY above the 200 EMA. Look how swiftly the market is pumping up. However, below the 200 EMA on the 5-minute, here we have the bearish crossover by the MACD, and you can see it simply dropped. So guys, what do you need else? Trade with the trend. With these simple tools, they are going to help you in huge numbers. Trust me, if you follow this indicator strategy, this is definitely going to give you the very good profits if you take care of the proper risk management. If you do not become a very aggressive trader, then it's my belief that with the grace of God, you will be successful at the day end, right? So guys, what do you think about this strategy? Please let me know into the comment section, and please like this video and share this video with everyone, and please do not forget to subscribe FX Mentor US. Thank you very much for watching this video.